guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you an unboxing of my very first purchase in TheGarcias.com. If you guys want to know what the things that I got, just keep on watching. Here's the box, guys. It's very cute. As what I've said earlier, this is my very first time I purchased on their website, because every time I want to buy something from Too Faced, I just go to Sephora store here in Anchorage, but they have this exclusive offer in their website, and it just so happened that I really like to buy this item since the day they launch it. But for me, it's kinda a bit expensive. Now that they have sale or exclusive offer for this, I finally buy it. So here's the inside. I like it. So I just have my packing slip or my receipt. So they have this this box comes with a chocolate bronzer, long wear matte bronzer. So let's see what it looks like. Travel size hangover 3-in-1 primer and setting spray. And then next, I got the Better Than Sex mascara. This is actually what I am wearing right now on my eyelashes, but I just use my mini ones. So here, this is the full size. And then I have this Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. It's also one of the freebie. Then, last but not the least, the reason why I purchased this. This one, guys, it's a makeup bag. There, it's so cute, and there's like, ooh, there. It's so nice. Too Faced, Be Cool, Not Curl Well. So this is the reason, guys, why I purchased this box. So there. That's it, guys. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. See you on my next one. Bye!